Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 18. Summum bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. The deaf, the dumb, the blind, they will never return. And a similar message is mentioned in the Bible. It is mentioned in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 13, verse number 13. Seeing they see not, hearing they hear not, neither do they understand. Same thing in the Hindu scriptures. It's mentioned in Rig Veda, book number 10, hymn number 71, mantra number 4. Some see the word, yet they see it not. Others hear the word, yet they hear it not. So all these scriptures, they're explicitly mentioning that you have to worship only one God. Yet there are some people who behave like deaf, dumb, and blind and do not follow the message. Most of the religions, they directly or indirectly believe in the philosophy of anthropomorphism, except for Islam. And that is, Almighty God, He becomes a human being. And they give a very good logic. They say that, Almighty God, He's so pure, He's so holy, He does not know the shortcomings of a human being. So He has to become a human being to know what's good and bad for the human being. On the face of it, it's a very good logic. But for example, if I manufacture a DVD player, I do not have to become a DVD player to know what's good and bad for the DVD player. What do? I write an instructional manual. If you want to play the disc, put the disc in and press the play button. If you want to do fast forward, press the FF button. Don't drop it from a height, it will get damaged. Don't immerse it in water, it will get spoiled. I write an instructional manual. I do not have to become a DVD player to know what's good and bad for the DVD player. Therefore, the last and final revelation for us human beings, it is the glorious Quran. The do's and don'ts are mentioned. So Almighty God need not become a human being. He reveals an instructional manual. And He chooses a man amongst men and communicates with him at a higher level through the form of revelation. So Almighty God need not become a human being. Islam, besides catering to the spiritual aspects, it even caters to the other aspects of life. All the religions basically tell people to do good things. For example, all the religions say that robbing is bad, raping is bad, molesting a woman is bad. Hinduism says that, Christianity says that, Islam says that. So what's the difference? Islam, besides saying that all this is bad, it shows us a state in which all this can be prevented. In Islam, there is a system of zakat. Every rich man who has a saving of more than the nisab level, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. If every rich man gives charity, poverty will eradicate from this world. There will not be a single human being who will die of hunger. And after that, if any man robs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 38. السارق والسارقة فقطعوا أيديهما جزاء بما كسبا نكالا من الله. As for the thief, whether it be male or female, chop off their hands as a punishment from the Lord for their crime. And in Saudi Arabia, this law is implemented. Some people might say that if you go in Saudi Arabia, every second person's hand, you would find it chopped off. The punishment, the law, it is so strict that a person would think 10 times before doing the crime. And many people say that chopping off the hands in this 21st century, Islam is a barbaric religion. Islam is a ruthless religion. America, happening to be one of the most advanced countries of the world, it has one of the highest rate of crime in the world. I'm asking the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia in USA, that every rich man, he should give zakah. And after that, if any man robs, chopping off the hands, I am asking the question that will the rate of crime and theft in America, will it increase? Will it remain the same? Or will it decrease? but naturally it will decrease. You implement the Sharia and you get results. Therefore, the least rate of crime and theft in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia. You implement the Sharia and you get results.